Hey, this is Melissa with Lady Boss Leads. I want to take a quick minute and shoot over that video. So we're going to go through your website and do an audit and show you what's holding you back from getting on the first page of Google and what you can do today to bring you the most value and start outranking your competitors online. The first thing I want to talk about is content. So when someone searches for painters, Tampa, Florida, Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet searching and ranking those results. They're looking for keywords and what your site should be found for, like the services that you offer and what areas you serve. So your site looks great here. Has a nice layout. It doesn't have a whole lot of content though. And one thing I can tell you about Google is they love content. So they like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, using those keywords about 10 to 15 times. So when we go and do a search for painting contractor Tampa, Florida, the first thing that comes up on the top is called the Map Pack. So these are all companies that have a Google My Business page or a GMB. So ideally you want to be in these top positions because they're super easy to be found and you don't have to scroll to the next page to find them. And then you have what's called the organic listings. So ideally, you want to be in the top 3 positions of these as well. And especially on the first page. You don't want people to have to scroll to the second and third and fourth pages in order to find your company. So let's look and see what this number 1 guy is doing and why he's listed first. So his website looks okay. It doesn't have a whole lot of content at all. So he would be super easy to beat content-wise. So use this program called Ahrefs, and it goes in and analyzes a website, and you can really see what you're up against and what you need to do in order to beat out your competitors online. So this is called a UR rating and a DR rating. The UR is how trustworthy your site is, and the DR is how powerful it is. These numbers are super important according to Google. This is how they're going to rank your site and push you to the top of that list. Now, these numbers are typically raised by backlinks. So you're probably wondering what the heck a backlink is. So a backlink is any website, article, or blog that's referring people back to your site. Google basically sees it as a popularity contest. The more people that are referencing your website URL, the more Google sees your site as being powerful and trustworthy, and they're going to kick it up to the top of their rankings. So as you can see, they have over 1,000 backlinks coming from 129 referring domains. And of those, 84 are coming from super powerful sites. So one thing to keep in mind is you want to grab backlinks that are super powerful and authoritative. You don't want them coming from spammy sites that aren't relevant to your scope of work or your services at all. So they have over 2,000 keywords and they have over 1,000 people that are finding their site per month organically. So when we go and look and see what keywords they have, so we want to only look at the local ones. So things that have to do with Tampa or the areas that you serve. So Painters Tampa is being searched 400 times a month. Tampa Painters 150 times a month. Painter Tampa 90 times a month. Painting Tampa, Florida 100 times a month. So those are some pretty high search volumes for these local keywords. That's a lot of the reason why they're being number 1 on the Google ranking. So that combined with the backlinks is really helping them to keep that first spot. So when we go and look at your website in here, so you have UR rating of a 29 and a DR rating of a 17. Those are not terrible numbers at all. So it would be super easy to raise these a little bit and start stealing their number 1 spot. You have 360 backlinks coming from 64 referring domains, 39 of which are coming from pretty good sites. You do have 55 keywords, and you have 44 people coming to see your site every month. So those are great numbers. It'd be super easy to, just raise this UR and DR rating a little bit, get some more of those specific keywords on your site, bump the content up to 1,500 words on your homepage, and you'd really be in great shape. I hope you found this helpful and can implement some of these strategies all on your own. Feel free to leave me some feedback, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.